In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a component in Figma the right way. Components are one of the most powerful features in Figma, and learning how to duplicate them properly helps you build reusable UI systems, stay consistent, and speed up your workflow dramatically. Let's get started. First, open your Figma design file and go to the page where your component lives. You can duplicate any component, whether it's a button, a card, a navbar, or something complex that includes auto layout and nested elements. The important thing to remember is that duplicating a component does not break it. You're simply creating another instance of the same master component. Now select the component you want to duplicate. You can click on it directly on the canvas or find it in the Layers panel. When you select a component, you'll see the familiar purple outline that lets you know it's a component or an instance. To duplicate it, the fastest method is using the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl or Command and D. This instantly creates a second copy of the component right next to the original. The new one is still an instance, which means it stays linked to the main component and will update if the master component changes. You can also duplicate by holding Alt or Option on Mac and dragging the component. As soon as you drag it, Figma will create a duplicate instance and place it wherever you drop it. This is one of the quickest ways to lay out multiple buttons, cards, or icons across a design. If you want to duplicate through the menu, right-click the component and select Duplicate. This performs the same action as the shortcut. You get a new instance that inherits all properties and updates from the main component. Now here's something important. If you duplicate the main component itself, the one usually stored in your UI library or in a components page, Figma will create a brand new master component, not an instance. That's useful only when you want to create variations or multiple official components. But if you're just designing your UI and need regular copies, make sure you're duplicating the instance, not the master. Another key detail is that duplicated instances can be customized. For example, if the component supports overrides like text changes, color modes, or swapped icons, your duplicate instance will accept those changes without affecting the master. If your duplicated component doesn't behave like the original, for example, resizing feels wrong or auto layout breaks, check whether you accidentally detached the instance. You can confirm its status in the right-hand sidebar. If it says instance, you're good. If it says group, then it was detached and you're no longer linked to the main component. Using duplication correctly helps keep your entire project consistent. You update one master component and all duplicates update automatically. This is especially powerful for design systems, UI kits, and app design where dozens of repeated elements appear. And that's it. Select your component, press Ctrl or Command and D or right-click and choose Duplicate. And you've instantly created a new instance that stays fully synced with your design system.